This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Gray. Beautifully renovated historic home with the modern-day comforts. The first floor features tin ceilings, grand foyer, living room with decorative fireplace, enormous eat-in kitchen with tons of countertop space, dining area, laundry closet, half bathroom and coat closet. The second floor features 4 bedrooms including the master suite with balcony overlooking the private backyard. The third floor features a 5th bedroom which is another master suite with walk-in closet. This 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom is waiting to be called yours. For more information, review the details below.